That is gorgeous. Hi besties, I'm Jen.
And I'm Shannon. Welcome back to the Calm and Chaotic Connection.
We are best friends. We are totally opposites. Shannon is black lip liner today, and I am brown lip liner today. Like, I didn't even know black was a lip liner color.
We are not the same. That being said, we've got Eyescream Beauty. My box is a little... She's seen some things. It's not the worst we've seen.
No, gosh, no.
But it got kicked by a horse or something.
Yeah, by Pony Express.
This is really packed tightly though. Like you shake it, it makes no sounds.
Good.
Also, the packing peanuts from last month are dissolved in water. So you could eat it.
They look like little, you know those little puffy
cheese
popcorn, like popcorn-esque crunchy, that's what they remind me of, sorry.
Best things in life are sweet. Oh. So it comes with this little card. This week it says, Bunny Kisses and Beauty Wishes for April. Jen brought her glasses today, so she can...
help. So I can help.
Maybe read this card.
Oh, I can read it. Amazing.
So... Eyescream Beauty did do a choice item this month.
Oh.
And so I'll start there.
Okay.
These are Beauty Creations color-based primers. So these are like eye primers.
Yeah.
And you got to choose between this trio and a trio that's like pink and yellow and orange. I don't do yellow eye because it gives me eye chlamydia. And these are kind of my up my alley for colors.
So if they're primers, you're going to put your color over it anyways, and it's simply going to enhance what you're working with. So I'm going to take
this and I'm going to put a blue shimmer over it. So I got the color Starstruck, Starry, and I Like You.
A lot.
I don't know if I'm going to use these. I don't use eye primers in general. I did choose the colors that were best suited for me. You could get the other three as well for an extra $6, which I didn't think was bad.
Wow, that's really good.
So how much do these retail for?
So these are $6 each color.
Okay. And you could get the other other three colors for $6.
Yeah.
So 3 for the price of 1. This box is $30, so these are $18. This is half your cost of your box alone. I don't know that I'm ever going to use them. I don't use eye primers very often. They're pastels. They're pastel please color-based primers. I don't do a lot of pastels, but I might keep them because you never know what's going to happen with Halloween-y or
rom-com.
Rom-com?
I don't know. A rave. I don't know. She does things, okay?
I might do a crazy thing for Easter next weekend.
Okay.
Who knows? So we're not going to swatch them.
We're trying not to waste as much as we
If I don't keep them, they'll end up with somebody somewhere.
Yes.
Somehow. Okay.
Okay.
So the next one is, this is State Sorbet Blush Liquid Blush. I got the color Pomelo.
This is $15.
Okay. This is all kinds of separated.
It's definitely separated. Try to give her a little shaky shake. A little shimmy shake. It looks like it's trying to come together.
I'm going to swatch it because it's separated, so...
yeah, you can't do
definitely looks crusty.
Oh, it certainly does. It looks like it's already been opened.
But the wand is clean. So I don't know that it has.
Maybe just had a little leakage.
Yeah. It doesn't smell like anything. So it doesn't smell like it's gone off.
Oh, that's very light.
So I don't use a lot of liquid blush, but this is very similar in shade to the e.l.f. one. The e.l.f. liquid blush that I had. It's definitely a color I could use.
Oh, I was thinking it's a color I would definitely not touch.
Right. Well, we have very different skin tones.
We do. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be pretty on you. Very natural.
I don't love a liquid blush, but I'm not 100% anti-liquid blush.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay.
At least they got a color good for me.
Yeah, and
If I don't love the product, I don't love the product, but it's a usable color for me.
yeah.
It's not red.
No. Or bubblegum pink.
Right. It's very kind of corally.
I think it will probably give you a pretty natural cheek.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. This next one is, ooh, Medusa's makeup. I've never tried Medusa's makeup, and
Oh, me neither.
I've wanted to. This is lip there. Oh, it's lipstick. I got the color Fever. Fever.
That is most definitely a Shannon color.
You know what color it is?
It looks black.
Well, that's the box is black.
Oh.
It is not black.
It's not black?
It is not black. It's purpley.
Oh, I didn't see that coming. What color do we call it?
Fever.
Yes, we do.
Okay.
Shannon, you'll be able to pull that off. That'll be really pretty on you.
I'll probably use that with a black lip liner. It's
Love
it's
that.
a really pretty color. It's a very wearable color.
Very pretty.
Like both you and I, like it wouldn't be obnoxious. For
No,
either of our skin tones.
I'd go brown, you'd go black.
Mhm.
That's what we do.
I don't always love a cream lipstick. I have been wearing them more often lately, but I'm excited to try this brand.
Yeah, I'm excited for you.
How much was
This one was $14.
Okay.
Yeah, very affordable if you like it.
If I like it, yeah. Okay. Here's our next item. This is from Charmacy.
Oh, we got that again. Okay.
Charmacy Milano Duochrome Eyeliner. And the color Milano, I guess, is the color.
Duochrome eyeliner.
Jen loves that.
I do.
This is a really cute box, by the way.
Yeah, super cute packaging.
What does it say about this?
This is Charmacy's newest addition to their multi-chrome liners. This liner shifts between white, silver, blue, green, and lilac. Use it on top of your colored primers to get different effects or on its own for a more subtle effect. So they put some thought into these products.
This looks very white. Where'd it go?
Yeah.
It's there. It's just a very fine. So it's a very fine tip little paintbrush situation. There. Put it on real fat for you. That's pretty.
Okay, so I'm getting yellow green.
I'm getting pink on mine. Look at in the camera. It's
Right
giving
here.
pink.
Oh yeah, you're getting pink. I'm getting yellow, gold, green.
It definitely is duochrome because when I'm doing this
Okay,
and looking at it, I get pink and then I get like green gold. Interesting.
That is interesting. I don't like that it's liquid and I don't like the applicator, but because it's such a neat product, I would completely disregard the fact that I don't like the application of it.
Because it's a unique product. This is not an everyday wear situation.
Oh gosh, no. This is like, look at me.
I'm doing something fun for Easter. I'm going to a concert. I'm going
to a rage.
A rage. All right, so we have one more item. And it seems like they give a palette every month.
I love that. It's a big one.
It's
Stop it right now.
Bunny Love.
Oh my gosh.
This looks like this is going to be a palette for Jennifer. It's very cutesy.
Yeah, it is.
How much does this retail
So
for?
this little ditty is $40.
Okay. Okay, so the inside looks just the same. There's face things in this palette.
Bunny Love palette by Sugar Drizzle Cosmetics. This gorgeous pastel includes 10 beautiful shadows, 1 glowy highlight, and 2 soft blushes that are perfect for spring.
Okay. This blush is a lot.
Yeah.
This blush is not a lot. It's
Ooh,
not,
with a light hand.
it's pretty. It's not as pigmented. I mean, that was me going in twice. So it's not super.
It's not looking the same on your skin as it looks in the palette.
No, not at all. That's certainly a blush color I'll use too.
And here's the real test. Oh, she likes. That was one quick swipe. One swipe and she was done.
So these eye colors, this is very kind of Jawbreaker.
Yeah.
His little sister. Like Jawbreaker's more neutral sister.
Yeah. It's like a second cousin twice removed.
I'm gonna...
Ma'am?
She's there. Let's
That is gorgeous. Do the purple.
This one?
Yeah. Is that duochrome? I thought I saw blue.
Kind of.
Oh,
I don't think it's a
shiny though.
Duochrome.
Okay, so that's just the smallest tint of color.
Yeah.
Oh, those are beautiful.
These are nice. I'm probably going to use this more than I thought I would.
Yeah, for sure. I really like that copper.
That's
that
just the shimmers, and I don't know why I went around with it. So let's swatch the mattes.
Sure.
Green.
Do you need help?
The mattes and the yellows.
Don't get the yellow anywhere near you.
Meh. So that's a pretty yellow. That's my skin color.
So those are not terribly pigmented.
No, well, but they are. Like, that's my skin color, but it's there. Like, look at it.
Yeah.
That's a, you're going to put that on your transition. You're going to do that. The yellow, I think if I could wear yellow, I would probably use that yellow. Because it's kind of soft.
Mm-hmm.
It's not like, safety vest.
Chartreuse.
Let me swatch that green a little better. Okay. The green is very soft too.
Okay, so the shimmers are impressive.
The shimmers are impressive, and the mattes are fine. They're, I'm sure, going to be buildable. They weren't super chalky. They weren't super powdery. They didn't feel dry. Because you know that happens sometimes.
Oh, yes.
Where you get a matte and it just is garbage. Like, they don't feel bad. They're just not. They're not super pigmented, which is fine.
Which is fine, as long as they're buildable. Like,
Yeah.
sometimes some people do not like to go in strong.
Yeah. But these shimmers, I'm impressed.
The shimmers are impressive. Yeah.
That purple one.
Absolutely.
This is very springy. This is very, like, if you had gotten this palette, you wouldn't be unhappy.
I wouldn't be unhappy, but I wouldn't use very much of this palette. The shimmer, like I said, the shimmers are impressive, but I am heavy-handed, and I have a feeling that this palette is not doing enough for me.
Okay.
Just the mattes.
Okay.
But I would probably dig into the shimmers.
I've swatched it, so I'm going to use it. I'm probably not using it this month. It's going to go in the stash and come out sometime this year for a challenge, I'm sure. They are cruelty-free, by the way.
Oh, yay!
So if you do have it and you want to use it this month, you'll fit in our challenge. Sugar Drizzle Cosmetics. I've not heard of them.
Never. I think it's a fun name though.
Yes. And I think it's fun to get to try these indie brands because like I've heard of Medusa's makeup. I wanted to try Medusa's makeup, but
Yes, and we've seen unboxings of Medusa's makeup, and it's definitely an out of the box.
It's definitely a brand that speaks to me a little bit. So this box was $30. The palette alone was $40. So
yeah.
There's no doubt that the value is here. And it's supporting indie brands,
which we should
don't have the selling power of
yeah
some of these bigger brands. I have zero negative things to say about this box. Except why the heck didn't we do this sooner?
They've been telling us.
Y'all have been
they
telling
have been telling us.
Some of you have been telling us for like 2 years that I needed this box.
We know now.
You know who we are. We talked about it today.
Yeah.
I'm excited. I'm really excited to see what else this box brings this year.
This box has been super fun.
And we've done it twice.
And although it doesn't, like, not everything caters to me, the things that do cater to me are super exciting.
Yeah.
So it's not like Boxy where it's the same old, the same old brands, the same old type of stuff. This is new and this is exciting and this is different. They're definitely onto something here.
Let us know what you think of it. Make sure you like and subscribe and ring our ding-ling.
Ding the ring-ling.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.